In 1993, Schrader Tire and Oil built its first retread plant, located in Blissfield, Michigan. Since then, Schrader has upgraded and moved the operation, and in 2008 opened the state-of-the-art Michelin Retread Technologies plant in Melvindale, Michigan, just south of Detroit. All of our retread plant technicians are certified by Michelin and are subjected to continuous cross-training exercises, ensuring we have the most flexible and efficient workforce within our industry. Our confidence in the retreads we make shows in the quality of the final product and on every face of our employees, some of which have been with us for over 15 years. No other retread can boast the use of Michelin's new tire technology and rigorous quality control. With Michelin, Schrader is able to deliver reliable retreads, all specifically designed to meet your critical needs. Each tire endures a grueling 9-step process before it earns the right to be called a Michelin retread. Michelin even requires specific lighting standards for inspection processes, separating us from other retreading shops. Follow us as we illustrate the work that goes into our retreads. The first step in the retreading process is the tire casings being received and staged for entry into the plant. Each tire has an assigned barcode that is filed in our system, which makes the tire trackable throughout the process and contains specific data for each tire. The casings are now ready for entry into the plant. At this time, tires go through a visual inspection, checking for penetrations and defects in the tire lining and sidewall that would prevent it from being retreaded with the use of the MRT grazing light technology lamps. Casings are then subjected to electronic liner inspections by using powerful electronic currents to pinpoint otherwise invisible injuries for which technicians mark as spots for repair. Next, casings are sent over for buffing, a critical step in the retread process. Proper buff texture strengthens the tread to casing bond, and a correct under-tread contour promotes long, even tread wear. An ideal under-tread thickness is key to cool operation, which is why we use an automated computer-controlled radial buffing system guided by a casing specification database to ensure optimal under-tread depth and takes human error out of the equation. We also recycle all of the old rubber buffings, a side product produced at the buffing station. Next, the CIA, or Casing Integrity Analyzer, uses laser light to map the inner contour of the casing. The procedure is then repeated under a vacuum. If there are separations in the casing, the contour will change. A computer analysis of the difference between the first and the second images by ACE, MRT's proprietary automatic casing evaluation software, determines if the casing contains hidden separations. Casings that are cleared to move on are now taken to the skiving post, where the technician uses a high-speed buffer to remove injuries and imperfections in the casing. Technicians at the repair station plug and patch all of the repairs remaining on the casing. Repair size measuring templates assist the technician in the correct repair selection and help prevent undersizing of repair patches. Now we fill the buzz outs with hot cushion gum to prevent air pockets from forming under the tread. Next, the MRT cushion application system extrudes a thin layer of the hot cushion gum onto the casing to promote a strong tread to casing bond. The computer reduces tread building variables by automatically cutting the tread to the correct length to optimize compression of the tread at the joint. In this building process, applying the cushion gum and the new tread at this all-in-one station eliminates contamination. The retreads are now ready to be double vacuum enveloped. Double enveloping means that all surfaces of the casing and tread, inside and out, bead to bead, are subject to uniform mechanical pressure, which promotes full integration of repairs. Next, the retreads are ready to enter the curing chamber. We meet all Michelin protocols for time, temperature, and pressure in the curing process of our retreads. Enhanced temperature distribution reduces cool spots and greatly reduces overcuring. Unlike our process, typical pre-cure plants use only a single outer envelope and sealing rings around the beads, with large temperature variations inside the curing chamber. After the retreads have completed this step, they are sent to the final inspection station. Finished retreads do not leave the retread plant without undergoing a final hand inspection to ensure that your retread adheres to Michelin's stringent quality standards. If needed, the CIA and X-ray machines are available to verify repairs and audit the final retread. The retreads are then branded on the sidewall, a step that identifies the retreads for future retreaders, and stained black to bring the tire back to its original luster. With Michelin, Schrader is able to deliver the best retread in the industry. And because of the detailed inspection standards and new tire manufacturing process, you can't go wrong. Call 800-589-6589 to find out how a Schrader representative can provide your fleet with superior customer service and make a difference in your wallet with Michelin MRT retreads. Schrader Tire and Oil, your trusted truck tire and lubricant specialist since 1948.